Hi everybody, welcome to another update on the stock screener. 1 year ago, I talked about uranium miners and I said that they are a very bad investment. So let's see if I am right now 1 year later. So I have some uranium miners on watch. First one is Bannerman Energy. Let's see. Okay, so this one has gone down by 30%. So very bad company, 164 million. So here we say 164. Now, is this a buy yet? Let's see. They have one project here. Uranium is still at $50, so this is still a zero NPV. So I think this is still going to zero because there is no value in this company because at 50 uranium, this has zero NPV. So this will continue to go down. Next one, Boss Energy. Let's see what this company has done. Well, this is stable, but it has also gone down. 536. The market cap has actually gone up. So maybe they did some dilution. Is this buyable yet or not? At $50 uranium, this should be worth 150 million. No, this is probably going to crash another 50%. So Boss Energy is still a sell, probably go much lower. Next one, Cameco. Let's see what Cameco has done. This is probably one of the best companies because this actually earns money. But in 1 year, you can see that this has not gone up. It has actually gone down. Market cap is 11 billion. So it has gone down. Today we are at 50 uranium. My valuation tells me this is about 500 million worth at current uranium price, right? Because this is based on AISC of 46, which has gone up from 30, and production is 25.3, which is coming from a 54% interest of Cigar Lake, and MacArthur 70%, and this is the total production. So no, this is worth 500 million to me. Maybe uranium can go to 60, then it's worth a bit more, 2 billion, but not 11 billion. So I think Cameco will keep on dropping. Next one is Denison Mines. Let's look at this one. So it was overvalued. And it has gone down from 1.6 to 1. Another 30% down. 885 million. Let's update. Now, is this buyable or not? Well, it has a nice project here, Wheeler River, which is going to be permitted in a while, maybe in a year. AIC is very good at 10. Capex is pretty high at 300 million. EBITDA valuation based on 70 uranium price, but Currently we are at 55. So this gives me, yeah, 1 billion EBITDA value. Not bad, not bad. This is actually one of the companies that might have some value. Then they have another project which is worth 160 million. That's not a lot. So it's mostly Wheeler River. That is the most important one. And yeah, I think this is buyable. Denson Mine is buyable. So this is the only company that is fair value. Okay, so I will add here fair value now. It has gone down 30%. So maybe this one is ready to go back up. Next one is Encore Energy. It was overvalued and now we are at 225. So it has gone down. By, yeah, it's basically cut in half. So is this now a buy or not? So they have a project with very high costs. EBITDA multiple gives me 80 million value. So it's still overvalued by a double. They also have this project, which has an EBITDA value of 45. If you add this, then it's about 120. It's still overvalued by a double. So no, this is not buyable yet. It will keep dropping. So that's Encore Energy. Will probably drop some more until it's back here. Next one, Global Atomic. $355. So it has also gone down. Let's add it here. 355. Uranium is probably around 50. So the market cap has dropped, but as you can see here, it's actually undervalued a lot. So this is very buyable, very buyable. It's actually half the value. So this is now undervalued. So there are some bargains out there. Global Atomic is probably an interesting buy. AISC is 22, which is very good. So this can go to production. And EBITDA multiple 5. So if you look at here, 50 NPV is about 500 million and it's only 355 million. So if they can get into production, this should be a great buy. If uranium goes to 60, then this can even double. And if it goes to 70, then this can triple. So Global Atomic is on my watch list at this price. It has really crashed from 3.5 to now $2 in US dollars. So yeah, I'm interested. Next one is GOVX Uranium. 86 million. This has also crashed from 0.3 to 0.1. That's 60% down. These uranium stocks are so crappy. So now we have 86 million. Is this buyable? AICO 40, that's a very high cost. Valuation is actually pretty good now. Gives me 250 million value. So now I would say this is fair value, but too early stage still. So it's in PEA stage. So yeah, they still need to do studies on that, right? So I wouldn't be buying this. Too speculative. Definitive feasibility study, production only in 2028 probably. So I would go for the producers now, which is Global Atomic. But okay, this not bad. But look at the capex, 300 million, 100 million. They cannot fund this with 86 million market cap. So forget it. Next one is Next Gen Energy. 1.898 billion has dropped from 5.6 to 3.8. That's a very big drop. I mean, uranium investors are taking it on the chin. Is this now a buy or not? I predicted that these were going to crash. So if you listen to me, you would be saved. Now let's look at the valuation. 50 uranium gives me NPV of 2.8. Not bad. So EBITDA valuation of 4. This is actually good value now. Below 2 billion. And NPV is higher now than the market cap. And at 70, this could go to 4 billion. Yep. Next Gen Energy looks very good. If uranium goes up, then the valuation goes up. Could be a double easily. The only problem is that the production is in 2026. Probably you need to wait 4 years to see this go into production. And that is not good. That is high risk. I do not want to wait that long. But if you want to wait 4 years, then be my guest. It is actually good value to buy here. Next one is Paladin Energy. Has also crashed by probably 30%, now at 1296 billion. Is this a buy? No. Valuation is 400 million. It's trading at 1.3 billion. So not a buy. This will probably crash some more. Oh, come on, look at this. This is too high. It's going to crash back to where it came from. Next one. Uranium Energy Corp. Probably one of the most loved companies out there. Let's see if it has gone up or down. And it has gone down from 5 to 3. That's almost 50%. So 30 to 40%. 1187 billion. Is it still overvalued? Let's see. They have in situ mining, good AIC. Uranium is still at 50. So this is worth 250 million. Market cap is much higher, so it's still overvalued. They also have this hub here. Uranium is still 50. And this is 250 million worth. If you still add this, that's still 400 to 500 million. So let's add this here. Market cap. So as you can see, market cap is still too high. Valuation is less than half of the market cap. So I expect UEC to keep crashing from here back to here. So next one, Uranium. Uranium, let's see if this one has gone up. Nope, it has crashed. Probably also 40%, 275 million. It was overvalued. Is it still overvalued? This has production of 1 million pounds to 2 million. Not a good AIC, but valuation is 100 million. So it's still 3 times overvalued. So next, this is going to crash. You. Another favorite of the uranium bugs. Has this gone up or down? Down. So from 10 to 5, this is almost down 50%. 870. I said it was overvalued. Is it still overvalued? Okay, so they have production at 0.16 million. That's nothing, but they could go to 1 and then to 8. So there is growth, but look at the AIC is too high. Current valuation based on this production is 8 million worth. It's trading at 870, so it's like 100 times the valuation. Now let's say that the production can go to 2. Okay, then it's 100 valuation. That's still overvalued. And 4, still overvalued, and at maximum capacity, it's still overvalued. So this company is probably going to crash from here to here. So next, Western Uranium Vanadium. Let's see if this has gone up. Nope. It has crashed like 70%. So 2.9. So this was one where I said it was undervalued. That's interesting. So well, I actually didn't look at it too much. Why did I say that this was undervalued? Probably I didn't even do any due diligence on it. See, I didn't fill in anything. Yeah, it was probably too difficult to analyze, so forget about this one. So that's about it. We have looked at all the uranium miners. There are some of them very good. Okay, so which one did I like? Not Kamiko or Denison. Denison was one of the ones that I like. So we have Denison, we have Global Atomic, which I like. Not GoVX. And I think there was another one. Yeah, Next Gen Energy is undervalued. So 3 good uranium miners that you can buy right now are Global Atomic, Denison, and Next Gen Energy. Okay, and all the rest you can dump. Okay, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.